Yep. Alright guys, I'm taking care of these quail right now, fixing to food and water them up. And yeah, we're gonna play a game here in a second. I want to see, yeah, this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. These guys, birds are disgusting animals, but it's your job to keep them clean. Fresh water, fresh ground, all these things they need, fresh feed. But yeah, it's good. So I'm gonna give these guys a treat, seeing as how they're still laying eggs for me. That's the egg lay song, guys. That means that one of them laid an egg, and I see it right there. Good and warm, y'all, good and warm. These particular birds here are evening layers. I don't ever really find them in the morning, but yeah, evening layers is what I always saw them as. That's what it is. So let me grab this egg. Boom! Boom! Look at that. Still warm, y'all. Still warm. That's a fresh egg right there. Y'all are good birds. You did a good job for me, y'all. Keep it up. I expect more eggs tomorrow. Twice the eggs, guys. Don't disappoint me. Y'all are good birds. Y'all are good birds. I got a buddy at work who has never tried quail, and so what I've done is I brought him a little, 4 of them, which usually does me and Morella a good pot of stew, and I'm curious as to what he'll say. He's a good guy, and yeah, hooked him right up, man. He's never had quail, never had rabbit. I think he's never had either, but I know he's gonna love it. I know he's gonna love it. I mean, it's quail. Who doesn't love quail? Everything eats quail. Just came over here to say goodbye, Flowers. See you one last time before the end. Yeah, it's coming. Goodbye, ground cherries. Goodbye, ground cherries. I'll see you next year. It's a potential. Still green. Come on, y'all. You're killing me. Green. It's a miracle. Just pointing, y'all. Just pointing. Green, green, green. Rotten. Green. 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 Dang it. Need my ground cherry fix. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta get the last of the ground cherries in, y'all. Last of the ground cherries. They'll be back. They always are. Asparagus is all finishing up. It's been a good year, guys. We've had a lot of successes here. Some really good successes. I think we'll do a little episode on that. Beans are trying to go to seed what's left of them, which is what I want them to do. I got plenty of seed right now. But it's always good to have. May have to harvest some of this holy basil up. Get everything out you can. Because it's coming. It's coming, y'all. But you know what? Gardening's finishing up. Everything's finishing up. Coal crops are still going. But it's rabbit season, y'all. Rabbit season. Y'all can just call me Elmer Fudd. Goodbye, holy basil. Goodbye, holy basil. I'm gonna have to harvest a little bit of you. Oh God, it smells so good. And bad. How can a plant smell so good and bad at the same time? Oh, no way! Come on, man. Oh! Look at that. That's what the wind did to me. Look at that. Dang it. Guess I better prop them up. Alright guys, all my chores are done. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I want to thank you guys. Every viewer that we get and watches, especially the whole video, really helps us out as a channel. We hope to bring you a lot of good entertainment here in the future. If there's anything you guys want to know in the way of rabbits or chickens or quail, just ask. We get a lot of rabbit questions. A lot of rabbit questions. Guys, get you some rabbits. You know, before chicken industrialization, more people ate rabbit than they did chicken. And nowadays, people are so weird about the rabbit that they just don't do it. I mean, they just don't do it. And there's a reason people did that. You know, something to think about. You know, you have your rabbits in winter, and you have your chickens in the summer, spring. You get your eggs, and eventually fall time rolls around, and you don't want to feed all of them. You can't carry them through the winter. And you got to make some tough decisions. Yeah, but rabbit season's on, y'all. Rabbit season. All right. God bless you guys for watching this video. We'll see you again next time at the Blackpack Homestead. Bye-bye.